The golden age of America. Hello everyone, welcome back of the regular puzzles of today's newspaper on Tuesday. So Thursday, November the 7th, 2024, and I've already solved one puzzle, a nasty puzzle. I've made an error here. So we have two puzzles are left, the JigSaw Sudoku and the Four Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with the second puzzle. Second puzzle, a 4 stars Sudoku. Number 9548. 9548. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24. A 4 star Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you can always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. Alright. We have here 1 2 2s, 1 3, 2 4s, 2 5s, 3 6s, 4 7s, 3 8s, and 2 9s. So the 1s and the 7s are a majority. Can I start with the 1? No. Well, not true. Not true. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left. 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. In this big square, we need a 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So the column 3, now only 2 places left. The 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Now I cannot continue with 1. How about the 7? 7. 7. 7. Need a 7 here. Well, cannot continue with the 7. Need to wait. How about the 8 in this row? 8 in the middle or second row. So the row below, the only 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3 9s, okay. 9 9. 4 4. Come on. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are 2 and 8. We have 2 and 8 in this column. No 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes. Two numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. The 4 goes. Sorry. 3 goes there. Yeah. Need a 3. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. So now 7. Okay. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 8 in the last row, so the row between. Only 3 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 in the second column, no 8 there. The only place left 8 should be there. Well, seven in the first column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the first row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between, second row, the only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the last column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7, 7, cannot continue with the 7 now. 1, need a 1 here. Alright, how about 4? About the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And 9. 9, 9. Well. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 5. In this big square, should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the first row. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8, 8, okay. 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yeah, so 2 numbers left in the first column. For numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here another pair are missing in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. And now, let me see. 5, need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. What are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are 1, the 2, and the 3. 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6. That means 1 digit left in this row. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. There are also 3 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in this column. No 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square. For number 2. 3 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. And look, we have 3 and 5 in this row. No 3 and a 5 in this box. So 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. And here I've eliminated the 1 there. So the 1 should be here then. Alright, now I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here then. And all the ones are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 1. How about the 7s now? 7 in this row. 7 in the last row. 7 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there we have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Right. 2. And the 4 are missing, 2 and the 4. 2, 2. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only place left with 4 should be there. 4, 5, 6. And look, we have 4 and a 6 in this column. No 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. So 1 digit left should be the 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, yeah. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row. So no 5 in this box. We have a 5 in this column. So no 5 in that box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 3, so 3 goes there. 1 box left in this middle row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. Then, let's see. 9 here. Well, we have a pair. The 8 and the 9 in this column. The 8 and the 9 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. Only 2 places left for the 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 and the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box. Oh no, 8 and the 9 are left in this row. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 8. 3 and a 9. We have a 3 now in this one. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 9 goes there. Yeah. So 2 numbers left. Oh, wait. 4 and a 6. We already have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in the first column, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 4 goes there. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Okay. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. The 2, the 3 is missing. Then for the 6. Yeah. I think 9. And I need a And I need a 5. 5, 5. Okay. Well, in the last row, the missing numbers in the last row are the numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. And look, we have 4 and a 5 in this column. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 4 and 5. So 1 digit left should be the 9. 9 in this column. 9 in the last column. So the column 3, no new place level 9 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5. So the 5 goes there. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 now in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 in this column. 6 in that column. So the column 3. The only place left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 2 goes there. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 3 goes there. And we have a 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next to that column. The only place level 3 should be there. 16 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Solve again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.